How to find old servers in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of locating older servers within the Roblox platform. It is a straightforward and efficient procedure, so be sure to follow along. As you may already be aware, when accessing a game or experience in Roblox, you are typically presented with the option to join through a prominent green button or by browsing through a list of random servers in the Servers tab. Consequently, it becomes challenging to determine the duration for which a server has been operational. Is there a method to specifically join older servers or improve the likelihood of joining an older server? Indeed, there is a solution. By utilizing the RoPro extension, which can be found by searching for the RoPro on Roblox Pro in the Chrome Web Store, you can enhance your ability to access the older servers. This extension is compatible with various web browsers, including the Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera ZX. After downloading the extension and enabling it in your browser, you can access its settings by clicking the extension icon and then RoPro name. Ensure that the Join Random Server button is enabled by ticking the corresponding box if it is already unticked. Upon returning to the game page and refreshing it, you will notice the appearance of the Server Hope button. Simply utilize this button whenever you wish to join a game, as it will place you in a completely random server, thereby increasing the likelihood of entering an older server within the game or experience. I trust that this guidance has been beneficial in aiding you to locate older servers in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for additional quick and convenient tips. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your viewership and your support.